Testing? Alright. Booyakasha. Alright, let's get these matching. Plus column. Should be good. Yeah. Oh, and do it this way, huh? Okay. Fair enough. Fair enough. Okay. Actually. Yeah. Okay, now at least it matches. So let these just be generated nodes. A single question mark is fine. Found it. Yeah. What did this one turn? East, east. It's almost here. Oh, oh, this is rotation, doesn't it? Direction, right. Yeah, good. Good. Right. So this means I can just specify just the nodes I care about, and the rest will be generated for me. So that works. So I could just go with Guys can use the stairs, huh? And wink out of existence. Okay. Okay. What does this change? Right. Oh, this one didn't connect. Oh. Probably doesn't take direction into account, huh? Wrong direction. Valid connections. It would probably work if I put it like here. It's north. Yeah. So when it's facing north, it has the right connection, but not this way. So I'm not taking direction to the account when generating node connections. Jesus Christ, dudes. Can you just try a little less? Okay. Neighbors is fine. Okay, enable bits. Boy, today room is white. Let's asking on the neighbor, which technically has the same thing there. Okay, should be just there. Yeah. Okay. Little neighbor. You can leave this far away from map actually. It's pointing that way. This is a local direction. Let's keep with that. Yeah. Okay, so north to north is easy enough. It's pointing to east. The north becomes east. Right. I guess just everything shifts over by 1, right? Let's see. Northwest, southwest. Yeah, okay. Which means, I think, north has no effect because it's 0. That's correct. Direction of the node itself and converting this. Okay, that's supposed to rotate around the neighbor, not rotate itself. Oh, this thing. Was based on itself. Now this thing before and after. Probably fine. Probably. Well, this one is still correct. I need to make a shortcut to just zoom the camera out. Okay, so that one's not, but this one actually might be. Interesting. So these won't work to connect, but not that one. East, west. All makes sense. All that makes sense. We have to build that slowly, honestly. Still really interesting. That happen every time. Yeah, these ones connect fine, but not this one. That one thinks there's no connection. Whoop, didn't mean to do that. Date neighbors from, that's the one updated. Wheel. Really? Maybe that one just doesn't work. Southeast, yeah. I guess I'm gonna need more visual aid, huh? Well, it's pretty close to generate, to be honest. So interestingly enough, it works for south and north, but not the other one. Oh, wait. Pinel's pointing east here. Hoping it points to that. Valid connections. What the hell is that, actually? Oh, does this not specify the types? Oh, it probably doesn't. Connection types in each direction. Connection types. So I do have it. Right. But the index is by direction. Right, okay. Only one is supported, fine. Or is it already a local space? Wait, this is local space. What's up, info? This is already a local. No, I shouldn't need this. I shouldn't need this. What's up, Lace? I'm too lazy to do the whole setup. I think I have to. Does this still work? Probably not. Probably have to do. Oh yeah, I remember all this magic. I haven't touched in a while, so probably doesn't even work. But that all makes sense. Kinda. Alright, let's see how much code I've written so far. Is it a bunch? Because if it's a bunch... Generate view. Well, here's what I have working right now. So here's a map editor I have. This is one that defines the underground map. So anything where you can see a question mark, that's an unspecified node, and I'll let the random generator, like a map generator, fill in those based on particular rules. So this allows me to set specific nodes and then let the map generate everything here. So for example, if we go down, you're going to be able to see there's a wall right here. What does it turn? Yeah, right here. I think that's the wall chunk. So if I want, I can, I think, specify this to be explicitly empty. And now if I go there. Yeah, now there's missing chunks here, because I specifically said I want those things to be empty. And if I put the walls back in, it will have the walls here. And it kind of generates stuff around it as it wants to. This way you get to have both predefined pieces on the map plus randomly generated pieces. Just go. So every time, like, the basic is the same, but then stuff around it will be randomly generated. Yep, yeah. I mean, to be fair, this was initially came out even before roguelike. Like Diablo 2 had it, He just had like base maps, but the maps had like random generation to them anyway. But yeah, roguelikes definitely use it as well. Sometimes, some of them don't have random generated map, like Heretic. They have like a predefined map. Let's see, Heretic. No? Isn't that what it's called? Heretical, I think. Yeah, heretical. Because this is like a roguelike mixed of non-procedural map, like it's a custom map, but it's more like a Souls-like roguelike in a way. But map here is the same every time. Yeah. I mean, to be honest, I'm not sure if my game will be full roguelike. I kind of like to have a combination of persistence and roguelike. So right now I'm thinking have like hundreds of zone levels that you can go up to. You might need to rerun those over and over a few times. So that would be part of it. And so this is currently the underground level. And then you go up to the usual high level. And even here, as you can enter, look, this is map layout now. Now it's different. Every time. It is different. Yeah. That's something I worked on this week. Because I hate them the games do like a black screen level load. It's like, what is this? This is not 2001 when Diablo 4 2 came out. It's 2025 at least. Anyway, what I'm currently working on is saving a damsel in distress. So this is a damsel to be saved. Which is why I started the whole underground passage anyway. So you could go down here, do your business, and then retreat back up. Anyway, what I was working on was some minor improvements in the generation mechanism, but like this one's supposed to connect the wall to something, and it's just not. Which, by the way, this is supposed to be dark spot. Although it's not all that dark anymore. But this wall is supposed to have a connector here. Like it's the same node as this one, except this one has a connection correctly. But this one is a dead end, doesn't get extend anywhere. It only works in two directions, but not those directions. You have another stub right here. Because when you properly generate it, it'll actually have like rounded ends for all the walls that have proper connection and ends, like here. So this stub indicates a bug. But whatever, not a big deal. Not a big D, just a micro D. Let me make sure I didn't break the main generation. Oh yeah. Sure looks fine. The bucket already. Good. Yeah, the world generation up above seems fine. Seems fine. Okay. I had to fight some demons to get this properly navigatable. I think at least now the mouse moves around fine. Now? To find another way to break this? Really? Oh. Interesting. Interesting. Oh yeah, I need a full tick for the physical shapes to come alive. Which might need to do a custom query for that. Fine. Fine. Underground should really be a different color, by the way. Different ground texture too. Oh. GPU crashed. Wonderful. Oh yeah, this spam. Let's get rid of this. Well, yeah, I'm quite happy on that animation map animation. Does it start out too far off? No, I think it's fine. Kind of annoying. I'm sure it's reflecting. What are you reflecting? What is it that you're reflecting? I mean, I guess makes sense reflecting that. Also ordered a new type of controller. Oh, too dark. For yesterday. Apparently my game doesn't function of that. So $25 to check it out and fix it. Well, it might be only working on Bluetooth and not the wired one. Anyway, web generation is fun enough. The question is, how do I want to do quest here? I don't want to do completion of the quest. That's right. But if the wired works and it's only the Bluetooth, then rip. Why does it explode? I was thinking I could actually follow the idea from Into the Breach, where this friendly NPCs can actually be attacked and damaged while you're fighting. So when you go down here to save, you need to snoot quick, because it will be a valid target. Yeah. Yeah. Also, where the hell are Roombas at? Roombas. Oh, it's waiting to spawn 2 robots. But there are no spawners, so I didn't spawn them. There. Oh, that's not what I want. I didn't want that. If I do put a spawner here. Does that mean the Roombas will come out once I dispatch them? Yes, okay, good. Roombas are active on the underground as well. Will it be difficult for me to add a follow NPC? Just someone just kind of follows me around. Do I want that? I mean... Wait. I could just call her down a bike and she can ride the bike herself. That might be the easiest. The other option is to modify bike, add a second seat. She joins. Bike just for her might be a decent first option, to be honest. It doesn't work last time I tried, right? Yeah, it didn't. It generates a bunch of other crap, but whatever. One step at a time. No. Single seater. We'll cover a spot here. I've been wanting to add more hand animation actually. Anyway, current state is plenty. Map can be generated on demand for unspecified nodes. Okay. Okay. Oh, it doesn't have different colors at all. So really, let's see. It's got all that. Fine. At least be able to specify a few things. I don't know if I want it actually green. Which color do I want it? Oh, I don't do override colors. I have to change the whole thing. Yeah. In that case, that's fine. We'll just specify it here. Right. Yo, can you like... Okay. Oh yeah, the panels. I wanted panels. For sure. Yeah, some color variation. Coming out of my face. We need to be fatter. It seems to be bumping into walls a little bit. radius. There you go. Kinda. I need to do something else to show health. Huh. What shows the health bar? Don't remember. I do not remember. I only do it for robots, I know that. For which robot? Oh, do I manually add that stuff? Yeah, it's all very custom, huh? Well, could kind of trick it. Could kind of trick it up. I'm looking for robots specifically. Anything that's supposed to show the health. I could do that. Jones is back in. Have I done software modeling? I'm assuming it's some kind of fancy term to do a bunch of stuff. Not really in my case, I just have experience working on game engines and with game engines. So I just went off of like, alright, I know what I do not want to do. Let me try something different. And I just start building from that. My only modeling, really, you could say, if you really want to go in that design pattern, is the fact I wanted to build this game on the entity component system, It's very light in inheritance, and it's all just composition out of very straight, simple structs. It's kind of like the main architecture thing that I've started from very beginning. Outside of that, not really. I'm just gonna do things. Ooh, this little node is a buggy node. Interesting. It's only that one. And also, I don't really have a custom engine, to be honest. I just have a game with whatever it needs. It's too much of a pain to keep a separation, to be honest. Way too much pain. And future thing is more of a first world thing. Yo, I'm getting too fat here. No, almost everything I wrote here is something I've never written before. So no. Almost everything I'm doing for this game is brand new. Hell, this crap. Definitely introduced some new bugs there though. Not too critical. Really just the task is just to get something working without needlessly making it slow. It's really the main thing. Like the whole architecture, I don't think in particular means anything. I don't think it's a particular worry. Plus, most architecturing advices nowadays are going to be slow as hell anyway. It's like if you look at what type of books they generally teach, including what I was brought up on, was the whole design pattern books, you know, like the SODs, factory design patterns and all that stuff. Almost all of that is just junk. So if anything, it's like a specific approach not to model anything that way. So no. Those games are really complex and they evolve all the time because you just like implement one feature and like, no, I need to implement a different way. This needs to be very customized. The whole software model only works for like simple workflows like non-gaming. Games are way too complex for that stuff. For the complexity, you just don't know exactly what you'll be working on. Because most of it's experimenting. Like you implement it, you play around with that, see what you like, what you don't like, and modify based on that. Oh yeah, I was thinking about this. Yeah, I'll need a new tag. Maybe something like supports. Real world code. I mean, that's really kind of depends which company you work for. Different companies have different approaches to that. So you might as well be specific. Most of the real world is really just going to a company and learning the way they want you to do things. Like Microsoft, Facebook, Amazon, they'll write it code differently. But yeah, like I'm saying, like companies have different approaches. All of them quite contradictory between one and the other. They have different standards, they have a different way they use the languages and whatnot. Okay. So yeah, if you just make it into the company, you're expected to learn their ways there. I don't think I even need this, do I? No, let's just take it out, I think. Position, I guess it's okay. I even care about position. I mean, if you're sole dev, and yeah, it definitely doesn't matter. Definitely not. Yeah, position doesn't matter. Yeah, okay. Well, the thing is that the way the code is supposed to be written is actually the bad way. So if anything, you have to go to very specific companies to learn the good way. For example, I worked with Amazon for a game engine for 7 years, and I would not write my code the way they wrote it at all. Definitely not. As life, right? Yes. Ports hell bar. Boom. E-bus, indeed. Indeed. Hey, that didn't actually work. This thing is here. This thing is here. Oh, it expects that. I see, so it does want it. Alright. Okay, so now I'm seeing a bar. I might want this one to be thicker, more information. Yeah. Rename this. How come it's not? There you go. I mean, entity relationships. You generally model things that should be modeled, but it's not really modeling. It's just more like you flesh out design. You write design docs in big companies that get approved. Discuss of engineer if design makes sense. But the whole modeling thing, that's not that useful. Design docs, yes, those you do write at big companies, so that the other engineers approved on your design approach, whatnot. Also, the companies that do write all that real life code, they're horrific at making games. Like Amazon tried to spend a bunch of money to hire engineers and build some games, and that was did not work out. Right, this way. This is what I can control. Do you even use this? Guess I kind of do. So now, excuse me? Null pointer. It is a null pointer. Why? Oh, I think it's a tag. There we join good game companies who know how to make games. Like Call of Duties, whatnot, those guys would know. Alright, so that's good for thickness. I just need to make it higher. At 8, yeah. Well, the bad news is that the companies who supposedly know how to write code, they're not going to help you. Those approaches are wrong. Definitely wrong. Okay. So now I have different thickness for health bars with these guys. Her. Okay. Okay. Nope. Winked out of existence. Be back. Well, looks like we have a bug. See. Oh. Wait, was it? Oh, never measured an update in time. Interesting. Updated Bill when? Good question. Good question. I think I would do it when I have the system working. We can go save and then she appears on a ship and can assist you with a task on a ship, then yeah, that's when I would update it. Right now it doesn't have any connection to anything. Wait a second. Standing thing. Let's friend a foe. If I do this. It's technically probably think. I don't know. Can I damage it now? Not really. But they can, right? Yeah. No, okay. Can no longer be damaged by me. Oh my, it's such a wide arc. It is really wide arc, what the hell? Really, really wide. And he looks pretty tight. Fine here too. Do it. Do it. Do it. The shape is correct. But boy, is it not correct when it comes to this. Huh. That's interesting. sure why. For a dialogue option. Do a quick chest break. I think going here is kind of wrong. So it should be alright. Where are you going, buddy? Where are you going? For that. What? Let's go for this. Can I do this in time? I think so. I think so. I was hoping. Let's wait a little. Do I want to trade or not? Honestly, don't really want to trade. Play the game of not trading. Let's protect. Everything's actually protected, actually. I don't know what to do. Oh. Trade the knights. No, it's gonna be awkward. Very, very awkward. Yes, that. I'm just like he can't take the pawn because of pen. One kind of hangs too, huh? Whatever. Less Hail Mary. Ooh, somehow got lucky with this. Probably still gonna lose on time though. Probably still gonna lose on time. His Steam Deck? Well, buy it. Problem solved. He wants this. I understand. I understand that you want that. I'm actually gonna have to go here, huh?
What's the point? Can we go there or not? I think so. I'm tempted to play it this way. That's probably decent. It's to go there. Makes sense. Makes sense. Here, boom, 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 boom. Kind of need one more there. Need one more. Can I finally do this? Stakes, push. Not really. Watch your time, getting low. Time to play faster. My queen's no longer a problem. Too slow. Last game. don't have time to play it before though, huh? Does kind of suck. That is probably not a threat of any real kind. Mm. Mm. Watch the time. Good, good, good. Nag the pawn. I should win. Oh. Alright, I shall return tomorrow. GG's.